I'm checking out the Magic Cordless Clipper by Wahl. This thing was sent for my review and love the way it feels on me. We're gonna try it out. Obviously, it is cordless. It comes with the charger, but this is only a charger. So you're not going to see like what you see sometimes at the barber where they're actually tethered and you'd have to like have the wire there. There's no wire whatsoever, completely cordless. One button, so simple to use, right? So I'm gonna take off the guard so you can actually see, but this is the button, on or off. So right now I'm on and I go back to off. Super simple. You do have the extender right here as well on the side. As you can see, everything metal based, so really, really solid, very, very sharp as well. We're gonna test that in just a second as well. But the way it feels in your hand, it feels very, very good. It's not flimsy whatsoever. Obviously, you do have, because it is almost professional grade, obviously, you do have that little hook where you'll see like those hooks, like maybe you'll have multiple clippers or maybe with other kind of accessories, you'll be able to hook that up. And it also comes with your little accessories or your little ends right here, depending on what you're looking at. Number one, a quarter. So you got number 1, 2, 3, I'm assuming is going to be somewhere here, 3, 4, 5, and then you've got those small ones, the 3/16s right here, number 1.5, and then 1/16, and then the big one. So of course, this is for beards, for hair, for body hair, what have you. It really doesn't matter because it does it does cut very, very quickly, which is super important for me. 5,500 RPM will give you that no snag kind of thing when you're actually going on to, I'm gonna turn it on, onto the skin or onto the hair. As you can see, I'm gonna go here and I'm not going to take my time. I'm just gonna go really, really fast. You saw that hair just fly over and I don't have to take my time like this, like some other ones, because, I mean, I'm sure you could hear it. It is extremely fast. It's like just going through it, right? Which is a nice thing. 60 minutes of charge will give you 100 minutes of use time, which is great. So it's not just 60 to 60. You get it a little bit longer because it is a fast charge machine. But again, it is so close. Look at how close that is getting that hair. And you can go as fast or as slow as you want. And there's hair now all over the desk. Very, very short. Obviously, if you want some length, you actually can use this. They even give you the little cleaning tool and the little oil, because every time you use it, just run a little bit of 2 drops of oil on here, then run the blade back and forth just for a few seconds, and then you can store it away and carry it everywhere you want. But yeah, love the fact that, oh yeah, the very long cable as well when you're charging it. That's a good thing too. So yeah, very impressed with this. For me, it's fast. The battery takes, lasts forever, and it feels great in your hand. So it is a winner in my book.